Trading Tesla in the last 6 months has yielded me enough profit to buy not one, but two top of the line Tesla Model X's. Yes, I have made almost $200,000 trading Tesla in the last few months. In this video, I'm going to show you everything I did so that you can replicate my success on the stock of your choice. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Trading with Ashley show. I am actually filming from my brand new Tesla X. And now that I have driven this and I better understand what Tesla is all about from being a Tesla owner, I am even more bullish on the stock. So I am going to show you how to properly evaluate a LEAPS option for Tesla. Now, Tesla ended the day at 465. It is hard to believe that just in October, it was in the low 200s. And this is how fast this stock has moved. But the stars have aligned for Elon when you consider the donation he made to the soon-to-be president and how that friendship is evolving, and the tailwinds are with Elon right now, as they say, the animal spirits. And so he's enjoying that. So there's the social sentiment aspect of it. But then there is the Tesla business model, which is more and more impressive the more I learn about this company and the potential of the future. When Tesla reports its fourth quarter, I think that we are going to see that there was a buying frenzy. And of course, the stock market is always forward looking. So they may want to say, well, what are you going to do next year? Well, when you think about what is up and coming with Tesla, then you have the dynamics of the robotaxi, which I'm personally super excited about. You also have the autonomous driving, which I cannot wait until it's unsupervised, because let me tell you what happened. And maiden voyage, I was doing the FSD supervised driving, and it started beeping at me 30 minutes into my trip. And so I grabbed the steering wheel, but apparently they didn't like that my eyes weren't looking in the right direction. I don't know exactly what was going on, but I got a strikeout. So when you get a strikeout with self-driving, you cannot use self-driving feature for a whole week. And if you get 5 strikeouts, I understand, it shuts down the feature for your vehicle altogether. So that is a little frustrating, and I sure hope that either I've learned how to operate this vehicle on self-driving so that it's not an issue anymore, or we get full unsupervised self-driving so that the strikeouts won't be an issue. So I thought that was really interesting. I'm kind of looking into some detail to try to better understand what's behind this and the strikeout dynamic. And I'm finding some interesting posts on Reddit that are kind of giving me some backstory. So once I fully vet that out, I'll share with all of you how it works. But actually, when you take off that self-driving feature, you've got the lane assist dynamic, which I rely on that quite a bit, especially on cruise control. So with Tesla, you can use the cruise control if you have a strikeout, but it won't keep you in the lanes. And so to me, it makes it less safe to remove the lane assist feature if you have a strikeout. So interesting dynamic. I wanted to share with all of you how that works. But we have also the Optimus robots. And I know there's a lot of controversy, at least in my family. They don't want to see a robot in the kitchen cleaning or folding clothes, but it would free up a lot of my time. So I'm kind of secretly excited and hoping to be able to experience the Optimus robot. It would be really cool if they let you rent a robot so you can see if you like the dynamic or if she does a good enough job dusting for you. So many fun things on the horizon. But let's go into the computer. Let's go take a look at some potential plays so that you can enjoy all that this potential stock has to do. I will tell you, it's riding high. I don't think this is the time to get involved with it as far as purchasing LEAPS, but I do want you to know what to look for. So we're going to go do that now. As you can see right here, here's 500 shares, and I've made $119,000 on these shares. And I have not had them that long. It's just Tesla has run so fast and so furious. I enjoyed a $15,000 gain today. So this position's worth $231,000, but obviously it has doubled, more than doubled, since I took it out. Let's take a look at these two Tesla LEAPS down here. You have one that was purchased At the $300 strike, it expires in 2027. And then I have one that was purchased at the $340 strike, and it expires at the end of 2026. Now, these have lots of time left in them, and they are already worth almost $20,000 in profit combined. So this is showing you the power of leaps. Now, this is in this account. I'm going to show you a few other leaps that I have in some of my other accounts because they're at all different prices, but they're all making just such great money. If you look at these Tesla call options, these were actually purchased a while back, and this was way out of the money when I purchased these Tesla Leaps. They were at $490, and it looks like that purchasing them way back when was the best decision that I could have made because I only paid, at the time, I only paid $50 a share, so about $5,000 for those Leaps. Well, now those same Leaps are worth $161 each. And so I have 3 of them, which is giving me another $33,000 in appreciation. So when you could take $15,000 in this short amount of time and turn it into almost $50,000 and still have this runway left, because this does not expire until January of 2027. So I will decide at that time, do I just keep the profit that's been built up, or do I decide to go ahead and purchase the stock itself at $490 if I were to exercise it? This right here is going to probably end up being a significant trade. And then you see right here $250. This one expires at the end of next year. It's already appreciated $11,000. And you have a $500 call, which we haven't quite gotten there yet, but you can see it's already making money. Now, this is under the category of what I call a skip, and I will take profit on this probably around the March timeframe or a little bit later because I don't want time decay to eat away at it. But this shows you can go out of the money. At the time that I bought this, Tesla was much lower than we are now, and now it's actually looking like 500 might be breached soon. And I bought 4 of these, $61 each, and now they're worth $78. So you can see the power of this. And then here we have another one at $450. This expires in the middle of next year, right before the July one, and it's appreciated just barely, about $1,000. And there's just one of those. So it's got a little bit of time left. And then, of course, I have a lot of sold puts on Tesla. So there's a lot of ways to make money. And when you add this all together, it will be enough for me to actually purchase 2 Tesla Model X's. And this is all from me having a belief in the stock, studying the stock, and then going boldly into my place, feeling confident about the future of this particular stock based on all the reasons I've shared with you. So when you have a thesis and you see that it's heading that way, don't be afraid to go in boldly, and you will be able to reap the rewards just like I have. Now, you're probably wondering what the right level is if you want to get in on this Tesla game. So let's go look at some technical analysis so that you can decide for yourself when is the right time, and you can use some of these guardrails that I'm going to give you. You can consider this for Tesla or another stock that you may be interested in. Right now, we're looking at the 6-month chart on Tesla, and this is a Bollinger Band, and then I also have levels of support based on moving averages. You're looking at the 50-day moving average right here, and then you've got the 200-day moving average right down here. And one other thing I have on here is the RSI. It's the Relative Strength Index. And so the best time to get into leaps on any of your favorite stocks are when they are at the bottom of the Bollinger Band or they are sitting on a level of support. If Tesla were to ever pull back to this level right here, and this will adjust as time moves on, but currently this 200-day moving average, it serves as a very strong support for any stock that is a quality stock. And I don't know if we're going to get here, but if we were to, this would be the time to load up on leaps. And leaps are so much more less expensive than the shares themselves, and you can see the appreciation opportunity. So looking at this, if you wanted to go ahead and purchase a leaps, if we pull back to around the 400 level, you could, and if Tesla ends up being, what I'm projecting to be anywhere between $1,000 and $1,200 a year from now, this will be a very good investment. But I would not put all my money in at this level, because if we do have a deeper pullback, if we go into some type of market correction, then it could easily get down to 300, and then you could add more to your position. So there's a lot of different ways to do this, but those are the various levels that I look at when I'm determining if I forge ahead. Now, when you go and look at this on an option chain, I'm going to show you something to consider when you actually go to purchase your leaps. A true leaps is going to be at least a year out. So if we were going to purchase one of these today, and I would not purchase one of these today with how high we're riding, but here that January 2026 would be a good leaps. You could even do the December one if you wanted to. But once I get over to my option chain, I look to the left and I want to search for a strike price that has a zero point 0.8 delta or something close to that. 0.7 would work as well. Let's go see what we can find. Right here, this 350 mark is the one that stands out to me. It's a 0.799 delta. You also have the one right above it, which is 340. That would serve as a good potential buy as well. Now here it's showing you the price of these, but the reason I like using these type deltas is it allows your purchased call to rise by the amount you see here times 100. So let's say I went with the 340 call. If I were to purchase this for 180 a share, every dollar that Tesla moves up away from 340, it would add another $80 to this particular play. So that's how you can enjoy that kind of appreciation. It's almost dollar for dollar. But it's not quite, but look, you can buy so many more of these than you can the stock itself. So if we were going to go buy 100 shares of Tesla right now, we would be looking at about $46,000. But look, you can buy one of these and control 100 shares and enjoy almost dollar for just $18,000. And on a good red day, on a Tesla pullback, this is going to be a lot cheaper than what we're even seeing now. Now, if you want to start the new year off right, I want you to prepare yourself to be a part of the Trading with Ashley community. We have been celebrating all week all of the new millionaires we have and all of the new incredible plays and the money that people are earning as a result of learning how to properly trade. I go live with my members twice a week, and on this morning's live, I was especially touched because we have a small account owner and he has been able to double his account. He's gone from 10,000 to 20,000 this year now that he has properly learned how to trade. And he was just sharing with everybody that you don't have to have a large account to actually figure this out, and everybody starts somewhere. So I told him, here we go. I mean, 10 became 20, 20 will become 40, and so on. And as you can see from the different comments that we're getting, we are enjoying some very fruitful, fat portfolios this year, and I would love for all to you. And of course, I would love for all of you to experience that and be a part of that with us. The best part about the way I trade is it is not nerve-wracking. You can sell puts and sell calls, and you can do leaps, and then you can do the skips that I love to do along the way, and you don't have to monitor your trades all day, which is such a blessing, especially at a busy time of year like now. Remember, if you're with me trading with Ashley, there is no trader left behind. Now, if you want to watch an awesome video that will show you how to create your very own salary with Tesla using options, watch that video right here.